On December 21, at the NIO Day event in Guangzhou, NIO launched its new ET9 flagship sedan. The car claims 9 flagship experiences and offers many firsts in terms of technology and comfort. Priced from 660,000 yuan, $90,450 to 818,000 yuan, $112,100. The versions are as follows: ET9 Bass, 660,000 yuan, $90,450. ET9, 788,000 yuan, $108,000. First edition ET9 Bass, 690,000 yuan, $94,550. First edition ET9, 818,000 yuan, $112,000. The first edition is limited to 999 cars and has various upgrades to the standard car, mainly in terms of interior materials and exclusive badges. NIO will also offer the ET9 with battery as a service BAS, which means the user can rent the battery for a 1,128 yuan, $155 monthly fee. Deliveries of the NIO ET9 will commence in March 2025. Inside the new ET9 is the biggest departure yet from the standard NIO layout that has remained largely unchanged in overall look since the first generation ES8. While there is still a swiveling NOMI on top of the dashboard, the 15.6-inch infotainment screen is horizontally oriented. Furthermore, there is now a long thin strip 48-inch 5K instrument panel that runs across the car's width. NIO claims the car has the industry's first full-range AR head-up display. This has ultra-smooth coverage and overlays information such as where to stop for battery swap stations. Attached to that drive-by-wire system is a new 2-spoke rectangular steering wheel. The drive selector has also moved from the traditional center console position on previous NIO models to a steering wheel column-mounted stock. NIO claims that the ET9 brings a business class-like experience. Much of that is aimed at the rear seat occupants. A 4-seater, the center console continues through to the rear. There are 2 screens mounted on the back of the front seats for rear passenger entertainment. The seat cushion width is up to 582 mm, and the backrest angle can be adjusted to 45 degrees. The boss seat, the one behind the front passenger seat, can recline to 135 degrees, and the front passenger seat, with one button, can go forward. 2 major features of the ET9 are the Sky Island unobstructed view panoramic roof and the executive bridge, which is the name given by NIO to the through center console. There are 7 powered sunshades for the windows, and also the center console features a tray table that can be adjusted from any angle. Underneath is a fridge with 10-liter capacity that can support a temperature range from -2 degrees up to 55 degrees Celsius. In addition, there is a secret storage compartment for valuables between the 2 rear seats. There is a touchless experience with the doors opening to welcome occupants. Going with this is a 2-square-meter light curtain projected to the side of the door. NIO was one of the first companies to use a Dolby Atmos sound system and has again excelled with a sound system in the ET9. It introduces the NIO LYRA 8.248 sound system with 35 speakers and 2800 W. This consists of 8 surround sound speakers, 2 subwoofers, 4 roof-mounted, and 8 headrest-mounted. Rear-mounted speakers are in the bridge. The car can provide a 5D Pano-cinema experience with the car moving to match movies being played. Inside, the ET9 uses 18 square meters of Nappa leather. The veneer uses sycamore from a single tree. Every touchpoint is heated, and the seats contain a 16-point hot stone massage function. To ensure a quiet environment, there is active noise cancellation. In front, the ET9 has a 105-liter capacity frunk, and this is electrically opening. Also debuting on the ET9 is NIO's new SkyOS, which it claims is China's first smart electric vehicle operating system. Superior performance is achieved through high bandwidth, low latency, and large computing power, according to NIO. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.